welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a mug brownie. Let's get to it. The ingredients you need for this mug cake is 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a bowl and a fork. Let's get started. The first step is to pour in your flour into your bowl. Like this. And then you will need to add in your sugar. The next ingredient is cocoa powder. After you've done that, you can add in your water. Then you can add in your oil. Then you can add in your vanilla extract. And then the final step is to mix. This step is optional, so you don't have to do it, but I will be adding some chocolate chips to mine. Now put in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. You can eat it plain like this, or you can add ice cream to yours. I will be adding ice cream to mine. I will be also adding some chocolate syrup. Bon appetit! Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!